This is 1030 Ohio Street in Bangor. It's also known as Deerfield Apartments. It's right on the corner of Ohio Street and Griffin Road, which is a great location, centrally located in Bangor. Parking here in the front of the building is for tenants. There's plenty of parking here. Has a nice green space over here. Each unit has its own balcony in the front. So we're going to look at Unit 21, which is on the second floor. Another nice feature of Unit 21 is that it is an outside unit. Each building, there's two buildings here, each building has 4 units across, so only the outside units have windows, which is nice. There's 6 units on each side of the building and 3 floors. Also has a basement with coin-out washer dryer. So you walk into the living room, which actually really good size. Has a closet, double closet, probably coat closet, broom closet. Got plenty of space there. And again, you have windows because it's an end unit, which is really nice. And then this is the balcony. You have a screen door. And it's really good size. You can put a gas grill, patio set out here. Some people do, some people don't, but it's really a matter of preference. It is nice to have it. It does have carpet in the living room. This is pretty new. It was replaced before the previous tenant. And then it does have wood laminate floor in the dining room. It is an open concept living room, dining room. And then it's also open into the kitchen. Kitchen's a little bit on the small side, but still pretty decent. It's got good cupboard space, counter space. They did put tile up under the cupboards back there. It does come with a dishwasher. I want to point out there is a broken tile here in the kitchen. I'll check on, they probably will fix that, but I'll double check on that. This is the bathroom. Good size vanity here. We'll have them replace the light bulbs as well. This is a 3-door vanity. Tub and shower. And then in the back are the 2 bedrooms. We'll look at this one. Oh, and there's also kind of a pantry. This is right across from the kitchen. Could be a pantry. Could be maybe a linen closet or something, but it typically would be used as a pantry. Got some shelves. This is one of the bedrooms. Again, it has a window because it's an end unit or an outside unit. Again, a really good sized closet here. This looks out into the back. And they have just replaced the molding around the windows. You can see this is new wood here, right next to the windows. And then this is the second bedroom. Both bedrooms are actually a really similar size. They're a good size, not huge, but a really, really decent size. This also has the same size closet, but this one has a back door, which locks with a deadbolt lock, but this one actually goes out into the back hallway, which is pretty similar to the front hallway, but this goes down to the basement. So it also goes down to a back door. So we'll take a look at that. The back door actually goes out to the back parking lot, and it does lock, but this one has a keypad entry. Oh. So this is the backyard, back parking. You do have a dumpster for your trash, so you can just take your trash out whenever you needed to. They do the plowing for the parking lot. And again, this one has a keypad code, so we give you that code along with your keys. And then this is the basement. And this is where the washer dryer, coin op washer dryer is located. So you don't have to go off site. There's also storage units down here, which I think you have to pay extra, like another $25 extra or so. But there are several of them down here. If you have things you wanted to store, some people have bicycles. They might store their air conditioner down here in the wintertime. Extra things that they don't want hanging around in their apartment. But that's just a convenience. So this is the laundry area. There's a folding table here. So you have a washer and dryer. It's actually $2 for wash and dry. These aren't used too often. There's not a lot of activity down here. I've never seen anybody down here using it when I've been here. Again, there's a huge spot here, which would cost more. This is a very large storage unit that would be available. But that's the basement. This goes back up to the first floor, and the back door, and back to unit 21, which again, there's a deadbolt here, so nobody can walk in. Here we go. So these buildings are probably 20-some years old, but they are pretty well maintained. As people move out, we come in and do some painting if needed, replace flooring and things like that. Also, from the bathroom, it does walk right around into the living room. There's some shelving here, kind of a little cubby. It does have a electrical outlet. Maybe put a lamp there or a radio or something like that, and then walks right back into the living room. Here's another view of the kitchen. So that concludes the video of 1030 Ohio Street, Unit 21, also known as Deerfield Apartments. If you have any questions, give us a call at 207-974-6606 or visit us at rentbangor.com.